Well, welcome guys, it is the, I believe, 8th C++ tutorial, and it's been a while because I haven't been able to get on my computer, but I am back. So let's go ahead and get on with this new episode. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is we're going to be going over loops. And basically what a loop is whenever the compiler reads it, it will loop back up until the loop tells it to exit out. So let's go ahead and create a new project because, as you can see, I'm in a Visual Studio 2013. Going to be in this for about 30 days, 29, because it's just something I wanted to check out. I was going to change the style to dark, but I don't think you guys could see it. So we're just going to name it YouTube. And then as soon as we get in here, I'm going to add in the source file, and then we're going to set it up, and then we're going to go into the loops. We're going to go to add, new item, C++ file, name it main. Include item string using namespace std int main. Alright, so here we go. Oh, put in return 0 system pause. Alright, so the first loop that we're going to go over is the while loop. So in order to declare a while loop, first we're going to declare an integer called I, and we're going to set it to 0. Alright, now we're going to type in while, and we're going to say I less than 10. So, and you're going to put curly brackets. Now, why do we put I less than 10? Basically, it's going to stay in the loop until I is greater than 10 or equal to 10. So this, while I is less than 10, is true. So it's going to run this, and when it becomes false, it's going to go out of it. It's going to break out of it and go to system pause, and then it's going to exit out. So let's just put cout hello world. Alright, so if we run this, alright guys, I'm sorry. So I'll see what I forgot there. I ran it, and the one thing you actually have to do in order for it to become false at one point is you have to increment I by 1. And how you do that is you type in I++ semicolon, which is incrementing I by 1 every time it runs it. So now if we hit F5 and we run it, it stops after it hits 10. So that's basically what the while loop is. So let's go ahead and erase all that. And we're going to keep I, and now we're going to go into the do while loop. So in order to do the do while loop, all you're going to do is you're going to type in do, and we're going to type in cout hello world again, and we're going to increment I by 1. Actually, we're going to do something different on here. We're going to say I plus 1, yeah, 1, and we're going to put a thing right there, and then we're going to end the line, and over here we're going to put that. Alright, there we go. So now I'm going to type in return 0 and system pause back down here because I accidentally erased it. And no. What did I do? Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot the while. There's a reason why it's called do while loop. Alright, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to do this. I less than 10. So when it hits, when I becomes 10, it becomes false, and it exits out. Alright, and you don't forget to put your semicolon after it. And as you can see, hello world 10 times, and then it exits out. So now let's go into a for loop. For loop is a little bit different because we can do this. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to type in for. You're going to type in int I equals 0, semicolon, int, I less than 10, I increments by 1. Oh, and you don't have to put a semicolon at the end. And basically what we're going to do for this one is we're going to say cout hello world. I'll put a parentheses right there. I plus 1. Alright. So now we're going to go into this, and as you can see, this is the same thing as the do while loop, except it's using a for loop. So that's basically what this video was going to go over. So we went over the while, the do while, and the for loop, and they basically all work the same. It's just different names for them. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you liked the episode, please thumbs up the episode, and until next time, I will see you guys when I see you guys. Subscribe.